with the Honorable Nandara Mafala. In fact, until this money issue arose, I considered him not just a colleague, but even a friend. And it was on that basis, indeed, that he entrusted me with 300 million shillings, which I will be also talking about at this meeting. He entrusted me that 300 million shillings just between the two of us. There is no record of any kind, no acknowledgement, note or anything. That could not happen if there were issues between us. And so I told the committee that there are absolutely no issues between me and the Honorable Nandara, over which a reconciliation is needed. Help the party primarily by establishing the facts relating to the money, and that the facts would be found in the accounts of the party and the records of the party. Which accounts and records we had been inquiring into ourselves prior to my appearance before the National Council, but had been denied because eventually they said we were not entitled to such information. So I thought that this committee now was going to help us get the facts. Because up until then, and I dare say until now, even as we sit here, nobody in the party knew even assigned the task that they were supposed to. And I did not learn of the task that was given to them by the party president, the Honorable Amri Oboy, at the inauguration until I appeared before this committee. And the task given to the committee was rather strange, because their main task was then to reconcile me and the Honorable Nandara Mafala. And by so doing, to bring harmony to the party. And I'm sure, I hope you have got copies of the elders, these special elders. Explain a matter that had become topical in our party regarding my absence in the 2021 presidential campaigns, or overall campaigns, the general elections. And having been given the permission, I indeed explained, first of all, why I was not available to be a candidate, and that having been a candidate for the Forum for Democratic Change in the previous 3 elections, and even one before the Forum for Democratic Change was formed in 2001, I had considered it necessary to be clear to the party that I would not be a candidate in 2021. And I did this through a formal communication to the party leaders at a meeting that was held in Choto in Namugongo in 2018.